Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I show you how to make traditional Sichuan cuisine. Today we're going to be making a highly requested dish that can be found in all Sichuan restaurants in America. It is called Kung Pao Chicken and in Chinese, Kung Pao Chicken. Restaurants make this dish in various versions, but today I'm going to show you how to make this dish in the most traditional way that a chef from my hometown would make it. It requires a little effort, but if you follow closely, I will teach you how to make this tasty and amazing dish. To make Kung Pao chicken, the main ingredients include green onion, ginger, garlic, peanuts, and chicken breast. First, let's fry the peanuts. You want to keep the heat low here, so the peanuts won't be overcooked. When you see the peanuts changing color from white to a little tan, now it's done. Drain the peanuts and then let them cool. Now let's prepare the chicken. Slice chicken breast to half from the middle. Tap the chicken breast with knife to tenderize it. This process will make the chicken super tender in the end. Slice the chicken into strips and then chop it into cubes. Now let's marinate the chicken. We will use cornstarch, salt, soy sauce, cooking wine, and water for this marinade sauce. After you're done adding in the ingredients, and then just mix well and set it aside. Now we're going to prepare the onion, garlic, and ginger. Chop the white part of the green onion, we call this part the 葱白. Slice the garlics, I used about 7 to 8 cloves here. And then slice the ginger. Now let's make Kung Pao sauce. It is the key of this dish, and we want to make sure that the proportion of each ingredient is right in this sauce. This sauce will need sugar, potato starch or 生粉, soy sauce, vinegar, cooking wine, and salt. Then we mixed it well and make sure that sugar is fully dissolved in the sauce. Now with all the ingredients prepared, we are ready to cook. We will first fry the Sichuan peppercorn. After about 30 seconds, take the peppercorns out. Now add dry chilies in the oil. Add ginger, garlic, and green onion. Put in the marinated chicken. Now let's stir fry it. The chicken will be cooked in about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir the Kung Pao sauce to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed well. Add it to the pan and quickly stir fry the mixture. Add peanuts to the mixture and mix it well. Turn off the fire and it's all done. The Kung Pao sauce will coat the chicken and give the dish a nice shiny caramel color. The peanuts are perfectly mixed with the other ingredients. The whole dish smells sweet, tangy, and full of delicious aroma. Now let's give it a taste. It is a little spicy, sweet, and tangy. It is very flavorful because of all the ingredients mixed perfectly well with each other. The peanuts are crunchy, adding a different texture to the tender chicken. It is pure joy eating Kung Pao chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoy Sichuan cuisine, subscribe to my channel to see more authentic Sichuan recipes.